Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain the Princess Bee statue in Garden game of Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. Okay, this is how the Princess Bee statue looks like, and when you click on the statue, you will get this kind of animation. It's pretty, guys. And if you want to get this Princess Bee statue, guys, you need to get the hive crate first. The hive crate is like this, and you're going to place the crate in your garden and open them, guys. And if you're lucky, you will get the Princess Bee statue. And for the crate, you can get it from here, from the honey coin shop. And if I'm not mistaken, it cost 2k honey coins. Wait, okay, this one, hive crate. And then for the Princess Bee statue, you will have 25% chance to get this statue. Okay guys, and that's how you can obtain the Princess Bee statue in Garden game of Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.